Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Shiv Prasad. I hope you are all doing great. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to tap the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from my end. Without further ado, let's get into. This is day 5 of Leetcode's December challenge. We need to find the middle of the linked list. We'll be given one linked list. We need to find the middle node of the linked list and we need to return that. If there are two middle nodes, in this case you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 3 and 4 are middle nodes, then we need to return the second middle node. That's all we need to do. Let's try to understand how we can solve this problem. If list is something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to apply this slow and fast pointer concept. Initially slow and fast pointer both points to the first node. All we need to do is we need to iterate through this first pattern until we found null. That means like while first dot next not equal to null and first dot next also not equal to null. Till we find this condition, we need to move our slow by one position forward, slow equal to slow dot next, and fast equal to fast dot next. All we need to perform is only this operation. So let's try to understand how this is going to help. Initially slow and fasted here. Fast dot next not null, its next is not null. Then my fast is going to point at here. My slow is pointed here. And again fast dot next not null, its next not null. Then fast is going to be here and slow is going to be here. And here my fast next is null. Then the loop going to be terminated. Then we need to return wherever we are at slow. We just need to return our slow. Then this is going to return 3, 4 and 5. This is odd number of nodes. Okay. So what about the even number of nodes? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We need to apply the same logic here, but only one edge gets after terminating the loop. Fast and slow. Fast at next is not null, its next is not null. Then fast is going to be at here. Then slow is going to be at here. Fast dot next not null, its next not null. Then fast is going to be at here. Slow is going to be at here. Now here fast dot next is not null, but its next is null, right? Then the loop is going to be terminated. Then at the end we need to have this condition. If fast dot next is not null, if it is not null, then we need to return slow dot next. Else we need to return slow. Only this condition required in the return statement. That's all the change. And what are the time and space complexities? The time complexity is going to be big O of n because we are going to iterate half of the list. Then slow space complexity is going to be big O of 1 because we are not taking anything. And here why big O of n is because see your fast pointer is going with 2x speed, your slow pointer is going to be with x speed. So actually it is going to be n by 2. We generally consider that as a big O of n only. That's all. Let's go to the coding part. Yeah, here is my last submitted code. And I just took fast and slow. It is simple like while fast next is not null and its next dot next not null. Then I'm moving slow by one position, fast by two positions. That's all I'm doing. And at the end, I'm checking if fast dot next still not null. That means my output is going to be slow dot next. Otherwise, it is going to be slow. That's all. Let's give a run. Yeah, I'm just submitting. Yeah, you see, it got submitted successfully with the 0 milliseconds faster. I hope you understood this today's problem and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.